Today, we're diving into piston ring failure symptoms, what to look out for, and why they matter. First things first, what exactly are piston rings? Piston rings are small but critical components in your engine. They're attached to the pistons and are responsible for sealing the gap between the piston and the cylinder wall. Their main job is to maintain pressure inside the combustion chamber and prevent oil from entering it. The combustion chamber is where the magic happens. Fuel and air mix, ignite, and create the explosions that power your engine. If the piston rings aren't doing their job properly, the engine's efficiency drops, and you'll start to notice some symptoms. Symptom number 1, excessive oil consumption. One of the first signs of piston ring trouble is excessive oil consumption. If you're topping off your oil more often than usual, it could mean that worn piston rings are allowing oil to slip into the combustion chamber, where it burns along with the fuel. Symptom number 2, blue smoke from the exhaust. Blue or bluish-gray smoke coming from your exhaust is a big red flag. This happens when oil burns in the combustion chamber, which is usually caused by worn piston rings or sometimes faulty valve seals. If you notice this, it's time to get your car checked out. Ignoring it could lead to even bigger problems. Symptom number 3, loss of engine power. If your car feels sluggish, especially when accelerating or carrying a heavy load, damaged piston rings might be the culprit. They're responsible for maintaining proper compression in the combustion chamber, which directly impacts how much power your engine can generate. When the compression drops, so does the engine's performance. You'll feel it during uphill climbs or when towing. Symptom number 4, low compression in cylinders. Your piston rings are responsible for sealing the combustion chamber, ensuring maximum pressure during combustion. When they wear out, gases escape past the rings, leading to low compression. A quick compression test at your mechanic shop can confirm if piston rings are the issue. Speaking of compression, if you suspect piston ring issues, a compression test is your best diagnostic tool. This test measures the pressure in each cylinder during the compression stroke. Symptom number 5, oil contamination. In severe cases, worn piston rings can allow combustion by products like soot, carbon, and unburned fuel to mix with your engine oil. This contamination degrades the oil's quality, reducing its ability to lubricate and protect your engine. Not only does this put stress on your engine, but it can lead to costly repairs if left unchecked. So, to recap, here are the 5 key symptoms of piston ring failure: excessive oil consumption, blue smoke from the exhaust, loss of engine power, low compression in cylinders, oil contamination. If you notice any of these, don't wait. Get your car checked by a professional mechanic to avoid more serious engine damage. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future car care tips.